Right, progress report on the 951. The engine is now in. All the bits and pieces are to be bolted back. We've rear engine mounts fitted. The hydraulic pipes or hydraulic lines. All the rest of the clutch brake will be fitted. The lever. It's the other side. This is the new rear engine mount. It's all bolted in. Starter motor, refurb that. Dynamo. We've been farting about with the hydraulic lines for the phone one, trying to get the angles right. A bit more bending to do at the top there. We could have a bend, looks like about maybe 130 degrees, then leading to a 90 degree at the top, which goes across onto the block. There's a block on there which is a part of the clamp. So that's going to be done. We've already bent the internal bits. This shield is just held in position with 2 G-clamps till we get the angles right. So the plan is hydraulic hose comes off over there, loops onto a flange, the flange there, same at that end. The engine itself is bolted in. As you can see, she's looking a lot better now. Next stage would be to get the hard nose radiator, exhaust manifold. I've rebuilt the flange for the manifold, new flange, new stack. I got a flap on the way. I'm trying to get hold of a socket to fit in the combustion chambers to just nip them a bit further. They are pretty tight, but just nip them a bit further. And she's taking shape. So that's the next stage. It's the hard nose and radiator, fan, belts, injectors, preheaters, glow plugs going to be fitted. Hopefully I got a seat in order on the way, a second-hand seat, and the rebuild continues. The coupling's going to be bolted up, blade coupling, and then the back end's going to be sanded down. The BR signs below that, it was a square. I'm trying to work out what that was. I might get some paint stripper to find out. It might say hydraulic tank or CCE department, BR or division. But it's getting there, bit by bit, getting there.